Hey everyone, it's Rochelle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. In today's video, it is a beginner friendly glueless wig install. Absolutely no glue is necessary for this wig install. If you guys want to see how I achieve it, then please continue to watch. The wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it's from UNICE hair, and this is the packaging. So we're going to do a quick unboxing, and everything that you need for your wig is pretty much in the box. So we have our melting band, which is perfect for melting down our wigs, the satin wig bags to store your wig in as well, and the HD wig caps, which I think is a must. Now let's get into this wig. It is a 7x5 closure glueless wig, and the curls in this is flawless. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached. I do not have to cut this lace. Everything is already done for me. And we also have a drawstring in the back and elastic bands as well. I personally love the drawstring wigs, especially when they have the elastic band in the back as well. So it's really easy to adjust and for it to fit on your head perfectly. Now this wig is the length of the wig is 22 inches. It's 180 density. And it's also a wet and wavy water wave invisible knot drawstring, and no baby hairs on this wig. Now you can add baby hairs to it if you want to. Now all the hair info will be listed in the description box down below. And I'm not going to be doing the ball cap method because I don't love doing the ball cap method, especially if it's not a frontal wig. So a frontal, it goes ear to ear. So that means there's lace from here to here. And because it's not a frontal, it's a 7x5 closure. I prefer to do just a wig cap. Now, some people don't like wearing wig caps. Me personally, it is a must because how else am I going to keep my hair down flat? My hair needs to be flat. I don't know how to do cornrows, so my braids are not the cutest. I'm going to go ahead and pop this on my head. I was gonna say I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on my wig, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on my head right now just to see how it's looking straight out of the box. Sorry, my animals literally just walked in here. Charlie. And I'm just gonna adjust the straps because with glueless, you need it to fit super snug. Because the string hangs, what I usually do with the string is I usually tuck it under the wig, out of sight and out of mind. So let me go ahead and fix that up. Girl, why is it all the way back there? It should be, let me pull this forward. Okay, like this is super snug. Super snug. That fits so good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pull my ear up because it has like that C-like shape. It goes around the ear like so. I hate when the wig is like sitting on top of my ear because that is never fun. It also came with tapes, but I don't know. I feel like I don't even need to use the tape because it fits really snug. And sometimes with glueless wig, like this part right here is not always sitting perfectly flat. Then that means that you need to add like some kind of melting spray adhesive. This part, like it sits really nice. Okay, so this is how the wig is looking now that it is on my head. It looks really, really good. I want you guys to see the hairline and everything before I tint it. Now it does need a bit of tinting, that way it can matches my skin perfectly. But once I tint it and melt it down, it's gonna look really nice and flawless and seamless. Curls are absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love them. Okay, so this is what it looks like dry when it's not styled. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna style it today with some mousse, and I'm also gonna go in with a little water. I need to add some water to this, but before I do that, the hairline, I'm gonna go ahead and tint this right now, so I'll be right back. Now I already pulled out some hair in the front. I like my hairline to look a little bit more natural, widow's peak. I do have a widow's peak. I don't have a super deep one, so I kind of like to have my wigs mimic my hairline. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that out just like that. I'm content with that. That looks good. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and melt my wig down, and I did not want to use any glue whatsoever. I want to keep it glueless. I'm gonna be using the Texture ID hair mousse to melt it. You can also use a melting spray as well. I have the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray, and that's my own product, but I wanted to switch things up and use a hair mousse to do this because I know not everybody has that product. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that. I probably added a little too much. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this melting band. And I'm gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just wet my hair. Realistically, like a glueless wig like this literally should take you like no more than 10 minutes because you literally slap it on your head, you put some water in it and some hair mousse and you call it a day. Like this is super easy and beginner friendly. You don't have to cut the lace, you don't have to do all that, you don't have to pluck anything. It's already done for you. It's super easy. And when it comes to curly hair, just know that there is gonna be some shedding for sure. I've never seen a curly hair that does not shed. As I'm styling, this is how much hair that came off. That's actually pretty good. So it is minimal shedding and that is to be expected. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mousse. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. Ooh, are you seeing that? She is melted, melted, melted. But we do need to tint it, so I'm gonna tint that now. I get excited when my wig is like, yes ma'am, melted. Just gonna add a bit of hair wax to this. Doesn't really need a lot. I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. Now you can definitely add baby hairs to it if you want to. I'm gonna not because I'm not the best at doing baby hairs and I kind of like it the way it is already. So yeah, this is pretty much how it looks in a center part and this is how the hair looks when you actually wet it and apply mousse to it. It dries super fast actually. So yeah, this is how it's looking. I'm gonna switch the style up just so you guys can see this wig in a different style as well. So yeah, this is just how it's looking. Let me know what you guys think of the center part. I personally love it, especially when it comes to curly hair. I'm feeling it, so yeah. All right, so let me just get up close just so you guys can see how the hairline is looking. And the hair looks absolutely gorgeous. I love, love, love these curls and I love how easy and effortless it is to style. Now I'm gonna switch up the hairstyles on you guys and I'm gonna go in and just kind of do a side sweep. So not like an actual side part, but just a quick side sweep. So this is kind of how it would look in the side, obviously if I fix that part. Again, I'm going to do a very quick and easy, effortless, messy bun. I take out some pieces on the side and then I'm going to wrap the hair around and put a elastic band around it. Now obviously you can do a better, neater job of this, but I just want to do something really quick and effortless. And I'm just going to turn around so you guys can see the back. So none of my hair is really exposed, just a little bit of baby hairs on the back, but it looks natural in the back, so I like that. So this is how it is looking, and I'm going to do a quick half up, half down and take out 2 pieces in the front as well. And I'm going in with that hot comb just to flatten down the hair pieces in the front, and going in with my elastic band just to put it in a ponytail. And again, this is how it's looking, super easy and effortless. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up this video if you do and comment down below. I'll see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. All done.